In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do black and white on DaVinci Resolve, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going on the clip that you want to change and click on color at the bottom. Now there's two different options for you for black and white. The first is to go on saturation, it says sat right here, and making the value 0. As you can see, it goes black and white. But if you want a little bit of a more customizable option, you can choose RGB Mixer right here, and you can turn on monochrome, and from there you will be able to monitor and change the red, green, and blue outputs so that it's a different shade of gray depending on what type of black and white you'd like. These are two very easy options. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.